In the Dutch countryside, surrounded by farms, open fields and trees, is the head office and main production facility of VMI, the world's leading supplier of custom-engineered production systems for the rubber and tire industries. The VMI Group is dedicated to designing custom-engineered production systems for building vehicle tires, retreading existing tires, and for producing technical rubber components and products. VMI machines are developed to assure our customers the highest return on investment on a continuous long-term basis. From the company's head office in Epe, the Netherlands, VMI operates worldwide with production facilities and service centers in 4 countries spanning 3 continents. In Europe, Epe, the Netherlands, and in Runding, Germany. In North America, in Ohio, USA, and in Asia, in Yantai, China. VMI production facilities are strategically located to supply custom-engineered machines efficiently and to provide local service and support to customers throughout the world.
The number of customers in the market is limited. It's a global business. It's very sophisticated, and it's essential that once a company becomes our customer, that we keep this customer. It's essential to us. We want not only this one project, we don't want just this, the project at this time, we also want the future business. Now, how am I going to get the future business? That's by serving them well, by making them rich with our machines, and then they have capital to come again and get more of it.
From the start of the company some 60 years ago, VMI has embodied the very best of Dutch engineering. The broad portfolio of products has been designed to add value to its customers' production processes and to provide reliable performance year in, year out in turning out consistently high-quality products. The major breakthrough for VMI came in the 1970s when the company's R&D group developed the first single-stage tire building machine. The VRP 148 produces radial tires by assembling all components in one continuous and smooth operation. VMI has since developed several new generations of this single-stage tire building machine to stay ahead of the tire industry's growing demand for faster and more efficient production facilities. VMI has continued to invest in research and development to meet the increasing demands of today's industry for greater flexibility and higher productivity, to produce a large range of high-performance tires for passenger cars.
Wij zijn continu bezig met het innoveren van onze machines, te verbeteren. Ze moeten sneller, goedkoper, beter. We proberen elke keer een stap voor te zijn. Als de klant denkt dat hij iets nieuws moet gaan maken, dat wij de machine al klaar hebben.
VMI stands for quality workmanship. Each machine is built by a dedicated team of technicians and engineers to stringent standards and procedures according to the ISO 9001-2000 Quality Assurance System. All employees in production are qualified technicians and have been specially trained by VMI to form multidisciplinary teams with knowledge and skills of the total process. Each employee builds up a long-term commitment to the company, to the machines they build, and to the customers they serve.
Mijn gevoel als ik denk van ik krijg die machine heel snel aan de praat. Je kunt het probleem vinden en zelf ook nog eens een keer oplossen. Dat al die mensen op je staan te wachten om weer de productie op gang te helpen. En je redt dat en je haalt dat. Ja, dan ben je hem helemaal natuurlijk. Daar doe je het voor, dat is de kick. En dan terugkomen en zeggen van het probleem gefixt. Klaar.
A customer's project starts well before work begins on the shop floor, because VMI works closely with customers to understand their specific requirements and respond with a custom-engineered design that is the best fit for the required purpose. Each order is controlled by a project manager who is responsible for organizing and synchronizing each step of the project through engineering, production, and shipment to the customer's own plant. Before leaving VMI's production facility, each machine is fully controlled and tested before being dismantled and packed by a team of skilled engineers and technicians. This same team of engineers and technicians will also install and commission the machine in the customer's plant. At the same time, the VMI team will provide specialist training for the customer's personnel to ensure optimal operation and maintenance.
We will not walk away until the customer is happy and makes money. We will not, and I will not let anybody within the company do that. I take also personal interest that we do it this way. It's not just a philosophy, this is practice.
From the company's beginning some 60 years ago as an equipment manufacturer in the Netherlands, VMI has grown to become a global organization, serving customers locally in countries throughout the world. In Europe, in America, and in Asia, VMI is the name that the rubber and tire industries know they can depend on.